per day.
190 to 166.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
Market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it. The movement in oil.
Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the crude oil markets. Now, just before I start today's video, anyone who's interested in joining my Signal service, please do not hesitate to visit my website, dailymarketmovements.com. I charge a very small joining fee of $29.99. Also, just before I start today's video, anyone who's interested in listening to my latest podcast, episode 4, is probably our best episode yet, but then please do not hesitate to visit our Instagram page, compound_interest_invest. Once you arrive on our Instagram page, you'll see in our bio we have a Linktree link. If you click on that, it'll give you free options to listen to our podcast, either on Spotify, YouTube, or Apple Podcasts. We cover some very important subjects, especially with regards to the crude oil market, so it's definitely worth a listen. But let's analyze the crude oil markets here. Lovely bounce here off around $86 a barrel. We have rallied rather nicely today, up around 2%, challenging $90 a barrel. It will be very important if we can regain $90 a barrel, because then I think that gives us a good chance of going to target the 200-day EMA, which is sitting up at around $96, $95 a barrel, give or take 10 or 20 cents. So I think that's a very nice area for us to target. I personally believe that 85 to 80 is the floor in this market. Right now, crude oil is extremely attractive. I think what's happened over the past couple of weeks here, where we've had this, I think it's about a 30% decline here. Yeah, so a 30% decline here in the crude oil market. So I think this is just typically profit taken from this lovely rally that we had from, of course, the start of the year all the way up to $130 a barrel. And I think there's been some profit taken from big institutions and retail traders, and they've been buying tech stocks. But the problem is that now over on the Nasdaq 100 and the S&P 500, we are now capped by the 200-day EMA. It's the same here for the S&P 500, and I do anticipate both the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 to start rolling over, which means we could see the profit taking in the stock market start to happen, and then we could see those profits now get reinvested back into the energy sector here, where energy is sold off, and it's just crazy. Right now we are trading at pre-invasion levels. That's when, of course, Russia decided to invade Ukraine. So that just means that crude oil prices haven't even priced in the massive supply issues that the crude oil markets is currently facing. So this is a massive buying opportunity. It's screaming to buy, and I think it could offer some fantastic upside potential in the short term.
190 to 166.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
Market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it. The movement in oil.